Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, so let's jump straight into this video, okay? Today we are working with Curly Me hair, and this is the closure wig that they sent me, 5x5. This is a factory made wig, so that's why it looks like this on the inside. These are all other things that we're going to be using in today's video. I'm going to make sure to link everything down below, so if y'all want to go purchase anything, y'all could go in store or y'all can go right to that Amazon link down below. So first things first, you want to make sure that you do a nice clean part down the middle. Now I know some of y'all probably thinking, why would I part it in the middle if I'm doing a bang? That's one of the secrets to having your wigs looking natural. You ever seen a girl with nice natural fringe bangs, but she always like has like a middle part? I'm talking about like natural hair, like, right? And they always have the part in the middle. That's what gives it like somewhat of a realistic effect. Now we got to take it all the way back in the day. Remember when we used to do a full sewing, like a full bang sewing, where you gotta like literally roll the track up, glue it, like, all right, let me see if y'all remember. You have to put glue on the track, roll it up, make sure it was tight, open it as if you like open an umbrella, and then flat ironing it flat. And it's just, yo, if you know, you know, if you don't, you don't. But I'm just saying. So that's one of the things that make it look natural. So what I'm gonna do first after I part it, I'm just gonna give it a nice flat iron. I wanted it to be very sleek. And let me tell you something. This hair, as I mentioned at the end of the video, was some good hair. And I usually could tell if hair is good or bad within the first few days, which I did with this wig. So I'm just like, nah. The way this hair is flat ironing, I know for a fact that this is some good hair, okay? First of all, let me tell you one thing. You can tell a hair has many donors, or if it's going to be good or bad hair, by the way it flat irons. If you flat iron your hair and you instantly get a lot of flyaways as soon as you do one pass, your hair ain't gonna last that long, and the chances are you probably got about 4 to 5 donors on that one bundle, which is terrible. Your bundles would never last, but that's a whole nother video. So yeah, by the way this hair flying, you could just tell it's an amazing hair. No, I ain't paying me to say this. I'm just saying, y'all know I'm gonna always put y'all on. Now, when it comes to creating this bang, you want to make sure you do it as wide or thin as you want it. Now, by wide, I mean, some people like their bangs really wide to where it goes all the way to their temples, and some people like their bangs to just cover each, like the high point of your eyebrow. So it all depends on what you like. Me, I like it kind of in the middle. I don't like it too wide to where it just looks very boxy, but I don't want it too thin to where it's like, it just doesn't look realistic at all. So this is right where my liking is. I'm kind of used to doing it, so I could eyeball it. But another thing I did also in this video is I used a mannequin head, and not this dome mannequin head, but an actual like the mannequin head with eyes and eyelashes. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, this one. So that helps me get like a realistic view of what it might look like. So after I parted that out, I made sure to go back in with my hot comb and just give it a few presses. It's not that serious, but y'all know I'm a perfectionist and I go in. So that's what I wanted to do. So this is the trick. You want to always cut it longer and then keep going in to cut it to your liking. If you cut it too short, you're going to be highly upset, and your wig is done. Like, it's over. Y'all ever see those videos of the girls who just do some type of technique? They cut it and then they release it and it just looks horrible. You don't want to be that girl, and you don't want to mess up your wig. So start off long with your trims and your layers or whatever you want to call it, and then you're going to cut it shorter and shorter and shorter to your liking. If you like it long, then you keep it long. If you want it a little bit shorter, even if you have to keep taking it off the mannequin head and just playing with it, you really want to be very careful when cutting bangs, because you cannot come back from cutting your bangs too short. You could always come back from cutting them too long, like I said, just going back in, but once you cut them too short, you're done. So I take my scissors and I cut them in an upwards motion, and then I cut across. So you get like a jagged edge type of cut towards the bottom, like a tapered cut. And then when I cut it across, it still has those tapered ends. Y'all kind of know what I'm talking about. So now I'm so comfortable to the point where I'm like, all right, I could just remove this lace. And that's exactly what I did here. Now, this part really kind of depends on how thin you want your bang to be, how see-through you want it to be. You don't have to want it too thick to where it's like a Chinese bang, but some people don't want it Selena thin like that. You know, y'all know what I'm talking about, because Selena had those type of bangs. It's mad cute, but you know, some people don't want them like that. So this was a little bit too thick for my liking. Now back in the days, this would have been amazing, but nowadays I'm just like, it's a little bit too thick. I need them a little bit more fringe. So I'm gonna just take my razor, and I'm just going to cut layers to well, not layers, but I'm just going to thin the hair out. I've never used thinning shears. Maybe I should try to invest in some, but this way works pretty good for me, so I'm going to just keep using it. Now, when I thin the bang out, I cut from the top. I don't try to cut from the middle, because then it's still going to be thick, and then it's going to be like thick thin. You don't want that. You want to get it from the root. So be very, very, I'm whispering. Be very light-handed with this part, because you can cut off too much hair and you don't want to have a patchy bang either. So just take your time, and you know the video is sped up, so it may look like I'm working way faster than I am, but take your time. No rush. We don't rush on them bangs. All right, y'all, so I'm about to put this on. I know y'all probably wondering, like, why do I have on 2 shirts right now? I decided to, like, just do a little bit of makeup. I wasn't going to do makeup today, but I decided to go ahead and do that. And I didn't want to get makeup on my clothes, and I didn't want to, both ways around, actually, if you could say it like that. I didn't want to put on clothes and then get makeup, and I didn't want to take off my clothes and get makeup on or something. So I'm going to just take this shirt off. Actually, I'm going to just take the shirt off now because I already done took my makeup off. But yes, I'm also filming a weekly vlog right now, so if y'all want to see what I've been doing around this video, then make sure y'all tune into that. I don't know the order in which I'm going to upload the videos, but you'll see it eventually if you just stay tuned. So let's get this wig on. All right, y'all, so I don't like the way this cap is popping up at the top, so what I think I might do is put a wig cap on and make the wig a little bit tighter so we can make this look realistic, because this looks a little crazy right now. So let me fix it up. Hold on. All right, so I decided to put on a cap because I really don't, if the wind blows, I don't want y'all to be able to see, hold on, my skin. That's not cute at all. Yeah, this fits way better, like way more snug than before. All right, so now I'm just gonna play with it and see how it fits and everything. All right, so I got a hot comb right, oh, this is where I cut the little, okay, see, this is why these come in handy. Y'all, I don't even really wear bangs, to be honest, but it's like, it's winter. Oh my God, I kind of don't want to cut these either, but yeah, it's cold outside, like it's bang season, so it's just like, it's only right that I do a look with a bang. And I did do a tutorial on a bang before, but I feel like this one came out like way better for some reason. I don't know why, but this just gives me, you know, more. I think I'm gonna go back in and cut some more layers because I don't like how you can see that right there. Maybe I need to comb it, see what it's giving. But I like bangs on me, as long as it's bangs like this, because back in the days I used to do like Harajuku Barbie bangs. Y'all already know, if you wasn't a Barb like 2010, you can't really sit with me, like you can't really talk to me, because a lot of people just starting to be Nicki Minaj fans, and that's cute and everything, but we've been doing this out here, okay? Like, period. I used to have the pink bang, like y'all know when they used to sell the bangs separate at the stores, like it was giving that. It was really giving that, like the pink little clip-on bangs and stuff. Is this gonna get my eyes? I don't want it to like bother my lashes. All right, y'all, so I went off camera and fixed it up just a little bit to my liking. So yeah, this is pretty much the final look. I'm about to finish vlogging for today, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that vlog. Oh my God, bangs is so like, I didn't have bangs in so long. It's like, I'm not used to like stuff being in my face, but yeah, y'all. So if y'all like this look, make sure y'all comment down below. If you like this tutorial, actually learned something from it, let me know too, because I'm trying to, like, you know, I'm trying to improve my tutorial skills. Most of the time I'm just like doing here, but it's like if I could do it in a way where you're learning a little better, then that works best for me and you. So just let me know how y'all feeling about this look, and stay tuned for this vlog so y'all can see what I got to do today, because I got a few things to get into. Anyways, I will see y'all in my next video. I love y'all so much, and yeah, bye.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.